Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into 7 incredible foods that can naturally unclog your arteries. These foods aren't just ordinary, they're backed by scientific research to help reduce and even reverse plaque buildup. We're talking about fruit, vegetables, a herb, a seed, and essential nutrients. Any guesses on what they might be? Stay tuned and let's get started on this heart-healthy journey. Have you ever heard of atherosclerosis? It's a condition characterized by the hardening of arteries due to plaque buildup. This plaque isn't just one thing, it's a mix of cholesterol, fatty substances, cellular waste, calcium, fibrin, a clotting protein in your blood, and more. When your arteries become clogged with plaque, your risk of experiencing a heart attack or stroke significantly increases. Doctors typically recommend adopting a healthy lifestyle, which includes a balanced diet and regular exercise, to manage or prevent atherosclerosis. If you're diagnosed with this condition, you might be prescribed medications like statins to lower cholesterol levels or fibrates to reduce triglycerides, among other treatments. While these medications are effective in managing atherosclerosis, it's important to be aware that they can also come with side effects, as highlighted by numerous studies. The good news is that atherosclerosis is not only preventable but also reversible in some cases. You have the power to take control of your health starting today. Let's explore the 7 foods that can help cleanse your arteries. These foods are not just beneficial for preventing arterial plaque buildup, they may also help to unclog your arteries if there's existing buildup. Stay tuned as we dive into each of these heart-healthy choices that can make a significant difference in your cardiovascular health. Number 1. Pomegranate. This fruit might be known for its slightly acidic and delightfully sweet flavor, which not everyone loves, but its benefits for heart health are outstanding. Pomegranate is packed with polyphenols, such as tannins and anthocyanins. According to several studies, consuming pomegranate juice can significantly impact cardiovascular health. One study revealed that drinking pomegranate juice could reduce arterial plaque by up to 30%. It also helps to lower blood pressure and can boost your total antioxidant status by 130%. Another research finding suggests that pomegranate can slow down the oxidation process that leads to plaque buildup, further protecting your arteries. This makes pomegranate an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their heart health naturally. Number 2. Sesame seeds. Despite its small size, this seed is a powerhouse of nutrients, boasting a rich content of vitamins and minerals such as copper, manganese, iron, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, vitamin B1, zinc, molybdenum, selenium, and fiber. But it's not just the nutrient content that makes sesame seeds beneficial for heart health. They also contain 2 remarkable substances known as sesamin and sesamoline. These compounds, classified as lignans, are known for their potent cholesterol-lowering properties, which can aid in preventing high blood pressure and even boost tissue levels of vitamin E. Research supports these health benefits, with one study showing that consuming sesame seed oil daily for 45 days can naturally lower blood pressure. Another study found that sesame oil could help prevent atherosclerosis. Beyond cardiovascular health, sesame seeds have been shown to protect the liver from oxidative damage. Impressively, research has even demonstrated that sesame seeds can be more effective than some popular medications for reducing knee pain caused by arthritis. All these benefits make sesame seeds an exceptional addition to a heart-healthy diet. Number 3. B vitamins. The family of B vitamins, including B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B5, pantothenic acid, B6, B7, biotin, B12, and folic acid play a crucial role in maintaining overall health, particularly heart health. While you can find these vitamins combined in a B-complex supplement, obtaining them from natural sources is often more beneficial for long-term health. Recent research has highlighted the significant role of homocysteine, a naturally occurring amino acid, in heart disease. Elevated homocysteine levels can damage arteries and increase the tendency of blood to clot, heightening the risk of blockages in blood vessels and leading to heart disease. However, a silver lining emerges with the finding that B vitamins, specifically folic acid, vitamin B12, and vitamin B6, are effective in combating these risks. Studies have demonstrated that a combination of 2.5 mg of folic acid, 25 mg of vitamin B6, and 5 mg of vitamin B12 taken daily for a year can significantly reduce homocysteine levels and decrease arterial thickness. Additionally, niacin and folic acid have been shown to be crucial for heart health. Overall, B vitamins are pivotal in reducing the risk of heart disease. These nutrient-dense sources can help you naturally boost your intake of these essential nutrients, supporting heart health and overall well-being. Number 4. L-arginine. L-arginine, an amino acid, stands out as a natural powerhouse for reversing clogged arteries. Research has shown that L-arginine can prevent arterial thickening by up to 24%. But its benefits don't stop there. This potent amino acid is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which play a crucial role in combating heart disease. In addition to fighting inflammation, L-arginine helps lower the risk of arteriosclerosis and heart attacks, repairs blood vessels, combats congestive heart failure and coronary artery disease, and can even help lower high blood pressure. It has been found beneficial for 158 different diseases, making it a vital addition to your regimen for reversing clogged arteries. L-arginine is just one of nearly 300 natural substances known to support heart health. This array of beneficial compounds highlights the powerful role that nature can play in reducing your risk of heart disease and improving overall cardiovascular health. Number 5. Kimchi. Fermented foods like kimchi are celebrated for their digestive health benefits, thanks to the abundance of probiotics they contain. These beneficial bacteria are crucial for maintaining a healthy gut, which researchers have found to be integral to overall health. When it comes to heart health and combating atherosclerosis, kimchi, a traditional Korean dish made from fermented cabbage. Research has shown that kimchi not only slows the buildup of arterial plaque, but is also more effective than some popular statin medications at preventing plaque buildup and reducing LDL cholesterol levels. The high probiotic content in kimchi plays a dual role. It aids in detoxifying the gut by eliminating harmful toxins and chemicals. These probiotics have been shown in numerous studies to prevent and treat symptoms associated with over 200 different diseases. Kimchi is not just a tasty addition to your diet, it's a powerful ally for your heart health. Number 6. Turmeric. Among spices that promote heart health, turmeric is unrivaled. The magic of this bright yellow spice lies in curcumin, an incredibly potent polyphenol that could be considered a miracle ingredient for cardiovascular care. Turmeric has been the subject of numerous studies highlighting its protective benefits for the heart. Research has demonstrated that turmeric can prevent the arterial damage typically associated with blockages. Another study found that a daily dose of curcumin can significantly improve the functional state of blood vessels in just 2 months. The consensus among researchers is clear: incorporating curcumin into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. This spice not only adds flavor to dishes but also brings a host of benefits for heart health. Number 7. Garlic. Garlic is renowned not only for its distinctive flavor but also for its extensive health benefits, being associated with the treatment or prevention of at least 220 different health conditions or symptoms. However, it is in the realm of cardiovascular health where garlic truly shines, especially considering that heart disease is the leading cause of death in industrialized nations. This pungent superfood has demonstrated remarkable healing effects. One study even suggests that garlic can reduce the risk of stroke by more than 50%. Its ability to improve heart health is linked to its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help reduce arterial plaque and lower blood pressure. Including garlic in your diet is a flavorful way to bolster heart health and significantly cut the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Medications aren't the only solution. A healthy diet, regular exercise, and the natural remedies provided by nature can all contribute significantly to maintaining a healthy heart for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our future videos. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite artery cleansing food? Leave your comments below. Also, remember to check out the free artery cleansing recipe we mentioned earlier in the video. And make sure to explore our other videos for more health tips and information.